Most people make sugar wax the wrong way. Here's the easiest recipe that beginners can make successfully at home. First, add 120 grams of sugar to a pan. Then pour in 30 milliliters of lemon juice and 30 milliliters of water. Place the pan over medium heat and stir until the sugar dissolves. Once it starts bubbling, stop stirring and let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the mixture turns a beautiful golden amber color. Remove it from the heat and let it cool completely before using. That's it, your homemade sugar wax is ready. Here's how to sugar wax at home. First, apply a little powder to clean, dry skin. Then spread the sugar wax against the direction of hair growth and pull it off in the direction of hair growth. Rinse with water and finish with aloe vera gel.